Located in the village of Banka, Slovakia, Banánka House is an exceptional example of a residence that harmoniously blends with its natural surroundings. Designed by Pauliny Hovorka Architekti, the house not only highlights a minimalist and serene architectural form but also offers a living atmosphere that deeply connects with the landscape. Banánka itself is a local term used to refer to women from the village, adding a personal and cultural touch to the home's identity. The house is situated at the end of a peaceful, fertile valley, surrounded by deciduous forests and a small stream. This setting provides a supportive backdrop for a contemplative and calming home environment. From a narrow asphalt road, access to the house transitions into a forest path, enhancing the sense of seclusion and exclusivity. Dense vegetation on both the entrance and rear sides of the home creates a natural curtain that ensures complete privacy for its residents. One of the main strengths of Banánka House lies in its successful integration of interior and exterior spaces. Large glass walls stretch across the key sides of the house, allowing for abundant natural light and offering direct views of the garden, pool, and surrounding forest. When fully opened, the sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the central living space with the terrace and garden, creating a fluid and flexible spatial experience, especially enjoyable during the long summer months. The house is laid out in a Y-shaped plan, with three main wings extending at 120-degree angles. This configuration is not just an aesthetic choice, but a thoughtful response to the site, which is populated by large trees. This layout allows the house to weave around existing trees, preserving the integrity of the landscape while creating private garden spaces between the wings. Each interior room enjoys a unique view into a different part of the garden, enhancing the overall living experience. The central space forms the heart of the home's daily activities. This area combines the kitchen, dining room, and living room into a single open composition. On the opposite end is a wine storage room with glass walls and a cooling system, serving both a functional and visual role in the interior. A fireplace with a large stone wall acts as a focal point and a natural source of warmth. This central space also opens fully to an outdoor terrace, equipped with a summer kitchen and open-air dining area. Each wing of the house serves a distinct purpose. The southwest wing is a private retreat for the parents, complete with a master bedroom, walk-in closet, spacious bathroom, and a wellness zone that includes a sauna, cold plunge pool, and a small terrace overlooking the river. This zone offers a tranquil space for relaxation and rest for the adults. The southeast wing is dedicated to children and guests. It features 3 small bedrooms, a shared bathroom, and a multipurpose room that can be used as a study or meditation space. The layout not only addresses functional needs but also ensures privacy, quality natural lighting, and scenic views. Materiality plays a crucial role in defining the character of this house. Monolithic concrete walls textured with wood grain provide a strong yet natural expression. Gabions filled with crushed stone are used both indoors and outdoors to establish material continuity. Wooden elements on the floors, ceilings, and terrace decking add warmth and balance to the solidity of the concrete. All windows feature ultra-thin frames and can be retracted into the walls, eliminating the visual barrier between inside and out. Meanwhile, the smallest wing facing north serves as the home service area. It houses the main entrance, storage rooms, and utility spaces. The extended roof forms a carport and offers shelter to the entrance area. The transition between exterior and interior is soft and cohesive, with consistent materials used both inside and out. Banánka House is a home that prioritizes tranquility, comfort, and a deep connection between humans and nature. Its minimalist yet detail-rich design shows how architecture can enhance the quality of everyday life. With careful consideration of site, materials, spatial layout, and user experience, this house stands as a genuine source of inspiration for anyone seeking a dwelling that is not only beautiful, but also meaningful and in harmony with its environment.